Pakistan Zindabad!
Hey guys!
Welcome to today's video. We're taking you to a restaurant we visited while we were in Lahore called Khalifa Balochi Sajji. So there was a bit of boo-boo on the recordings.
There was some gutterbug, yes there was.
And we lost the intros, so we're doing it all over again now. Yeah, let us know what you think of this video, and we hope you enjoy it. Let's go!
Let's go! So as I was saying guys, the pakoras are basically what you might know in the UK as onion bhajis type of thing. And it looks like they've got here coriander, some onions, it's got basically gram flour, and it's got a lot of salt in it. You can salt in it, isn't it? But it's very delicious. And we've got some raita, which is basically dipping sauce, chutney that you have with the pakora. Are you okay with it? Oh, that raita is delicious. Here we have the menu. We've got the Sajji specials, which we have gone for the half Sajji. We've got all the cheese kebabs, malai botis, we've got the barbecue specials and the fish specials here. But we have gone, and they've got handis as well actually. But we have gone for a yummy rice and chicken. Get in your belly.
So what the Sajji is basically those chicken over the coals, grilled very, 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 very slowly. Not fried, not anything. It's just pure grilled over the coals, cooked to perfection. And you know what? This rice looks absolutely delicious too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. So I'm just going to plate up. Let's have a look at what that looks like. So,
like Nando's grilled chicken and rice, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that chicken there, guys. Oh my god.
Lovely.
Maybe I should get up and plate up.
Let's get the rice away from the chicken so you can start seeing what you're working with here. Ooh, look, it's got a date in there as well. There you go. Look at that.
That's it guys. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Right, should we do the taste test?
Okay. I'm going with the rice first. It's a cross between a Kabuli pilau and a normal Pakistani pilau. No, not biryani, but like a normal pilau.
Alright.
It's got that chicken broth flavour to it. That is good. That is very good.
Definitely recommend?
Definitely recommend that. I've done the review of the rice. Nadia's going to do a review of the chicken.
I'm going to do chicken and rice so.
Okay.
So here we go guys, I'm going in for it. Wow, that chicken is freaking epic. You don't need any sauces because it's really packed with flavours. And it's not too dry either, so it's just that perfect combination, isn't it?
Does it have the good man seal of approval?
That's good, man.
That's good, man. And it's, you know what, the good thing, it's healthy as well.
Oh yeah.
It's just grilled chicken over the charcoal.
And there's no oil.
Yeah.
Definitely coming back to this place.
Right guys, so the bill just arrived. We finished our food, it was absolutely delicious, and the total came to 860 rupees, which is £3.60. Not bad for a massive plate of rice, half a chicken, got a bit of drinks and a bit of pakoras on the side, and a bottle of water. Absolutely delicious. We're going to head off in a second. See you in a bit. Assalamu alaikum. Kaise hai? Theek hai? Alhamdulillah. That's the owner guy over there. I recognize him from the YouTube videos. Yeah. Yeah.
He's the owner.
Yeah, he's the owner over there. Thank you. Yeah. Right, and that's it over there. That's the masterpiece of the show over here, guys. This is the chicken being made. Yes, lad. What's happening? How you doing, bro? You good? Assalamu alaikum. Kaise ho? Theek ho? You make the Sajji?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
The guy that makes it behind the scenes, guys.
That's the guy, the ultimate lovely.
Muhammad Abbas. Here we go. See the guy.
This is Nadia, Zakaria, and Irfan. Irfan.
Yeah, thank you.
We're on YouTube, so you can see our card is here. Yeah. So have a look, yeah.
Alright.
Here we have it, guys.
Let's get. Hey, welcome to Lahore.
करके देता हूँ जी टाइम लगता है ना एडिट करने का और सब कुछ आ जाएगा Sweating cobs now. It's so hot right now.
There's a crowd.
Hey, welcome to Lahore. Zindabad. Pakistan. Zindabad.
Right, so Irfan just got. Irfan, you okay, honey? Irfan got his first crowd encounter. You're a celebrity now, honey. You're a celebrity, aren't you?
You know what? That's the thing. People are really friendly here, and we're not basically used to it.
If one person stops you, then you literally will have a crowd within seconds.
Yeah, so we're not really used to like people being overly friendly because obviously in the UK you just know the people that you know. So it can be a bit overwhelming. You can see I'm sweating cop.
I've not seen Irfan sweat so much like this since our wedding day, to be honest with you. Innit, Bambos?
Pretty much. As I was saying, we were standing outside and everyone is just really curious what we're doing with the camera, where it's going. But it's just curiosity more than anything, you know.
Yeah, and you know what, man, I just love this city. I just love Pakistan. Everyone's just so. I
And you
don't
know-
it so much, but this is like the hospitality of people here. Everyone's just so beautiful.
I think it's all about. I think Lahore as well in general. Like people are a bit more like open, welcoming, chatty.
Right, so I like to say Lahore is like Manchester in the UK, and
Yes.
Islamabad is like London.
Yeah,
That should
basically.
give you an idea of what I'm talking about.
We are now making our way back to the car. We had a delicious iftari.
Guys, I think this is the perfect time to end the video. We hope you enjoyed our food tour with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button
Press that bell icon so you're notified when we upload our next video.
and make sure you do check out this place next time you're in Lahore. Follow your visions.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Camera.
Hey, GoPro.
Camera. How are you? Good. Me, my wife, my son Zakaria. Traveling all around Pakistan and doing videos.
Right,
Yeah.
people. So there we go again. See you guys